Today, we're going to create a brand new AI-generated video that looks just like a real movie. And the best part is, we'll be using a free and new AI tool. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use this tool step by step, so you can easily create a high-quality AI film, complete with story, visuals, and audio, just like a real cinematic experience. This is the future of filmmaking, and you don't need a big team or expensive setup to start. All you need is creativity and the right tools, and I'll give you both in this video. It's very important that you watch the entire video carefully. If you skip any step, you might not fully understand how to use the tool properly. That's why I recommend watching till the end. I've explained everything in a very simple way so you can easily understand. Also, I've shared all the necessary prompts in the video description. You can use them to create your own AI-generated films. Not only that, I've also shown you how to write and customize your own prompts to create even more unique videos. This video includes everything: how to generate AI audio, how to create the video, and how to make your own story prompts. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I regularly upload helpful content like this. So let's get started. Here's how you can make amazing AI films for free. Step 1. Open ChatGPT. After opening ChatGPT, paste the following story prompt. A 35-year-old man stands with a gun in his hand, facing a massive, destructive gorilla wreaking havoc in the city. Don't worry, I will provide this prompt in the YouTube description. Just click on send and ChatGPT will create a story for you. You can check if ChatGPT has made a short story or a long one. You can ask for a story as long as you want, like 400 words or more. ChatGPT is a great website that can create amazing stories. After that, you can write, "Give me 10 detailed image prompts," and it will give you prompts. You can use those prompts to create videos using a new AI website. If you want to create your own custom story, I will also show you how to do that. The prompt I give in the YouTube description, just copy and paste it or type it yourself. For example, if you want to remove the gorilla and monkey from the story and add a big snake instead, just write, "Please remove gorilla and monkey and add a big snake." ChatGPT will understand and update the story. You can check it and see the changes. In the same way, you can create a brand new prompt. Paste it in and ChatGPT will create a full story about a big snake. You can also add anything else you want, like a dinosaur, a big lion, or anything you imagine. Step 2. Generate video audio. Gemini Veo 3 is the best AI for generating videos. It creates both video and audio, making it perfect for film projects. This powerful tool uses advanced AI to produce high-quality, realistic content. Whether you're making short films, YouTube videos, or creative projects, Gemini Veo 3 delivers amazing results. It's a top choice for filmmakers and content creators who want professional-looking AI-generated videos with synced sound and visuals. And I will also tell you how we can use it for free. And remember, you have to search by typing Gemini Veo 3 exactly. Only then will you find it easily on Google or any other search engine. It is a really great and powerful tool. If you use it correctly, you can easily make professional quality videos with both audio and visuals, even if you are a beginner. Every step is very important, so please watch the video carefully and follow along exactly. If you want to use Gemini Veo 3 for free and create amazing videos without paying anything, this video will show you how. And search for Gemini AI Video Generator by Veo 3. Click on the third link that says Try Veo. This is where you can create videos. Don't worry, I'll also explain how to use it for free. Just follow the steps one by one. When the website opens, make sure to click on 2.5 Pro. Then click on Video and paste the prompt you copied from ChatGPT. After a short wait, the video will start generating. Gemini Veo 3 is a great tool. Just follow these steps and you'll understand the easy process. As you can see, the first video has already been created. Now I will paste the next video prompt here. In just 2 to 3 minutes, you can get a new video made from this prompt. You can also let ChatGPT turn this prompt into a video for you. The second video will be ready like this. This tool creates amazing videos. In this way, I keep copying prompts from ChatGPT and pasting them into the tool, and both the audio and video are generated automatically. Gemini Veo 3 is a really great tool. I will also explain how you can use it for free. Just follow the steps one by one. This is how I've created all my videos. You can see for yourself how amazing the videos look. All of them turned out really well. Step 3. How to use Veo 3 for free. This step is very important. First, open Veo 3 by clicking on Try Veo. You will see a second option on the page. Click on Google AI Pro Free. Using Google AI Pro, you can make videos for free. Click carefully on Google AI Pro Free. Then you will see two options. Get Google AI Pro, Get Google AI Ultra. You need to click on Get Google AI Pro, which is free. It shows 0% per month on the top, meaning no cost. After that, there is another option to add a credit or debit card. Click on that option. Here, you need to enter your card number, expiry month and year, CVC code, and select your country. By doing this, you will get a 1-month free trial. During this trial, you can create AI videos for free. I did exactly the same, and now I am making videos using this method. Final step. Now go to CapCut. It's a very good software for video editing. Click there and edit your video as you like. You can use any video editing software you prefer. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Next time, I will share another new method. Okay, bye.